This was during the day. You'd find Pete in a bathing suit standing out there. The holiday campground in Leesburg. I spent a couple of nights here, very comfortable, a little tight. What they do is a lot of these people own these trailers that you see around me, but in between the trailers you have you have spots. And just like this spot right here, see the trailer? You got the trailers on the right, and then you have the little hookup spots, like that 153 has full water, cable, sewage, power, electric, all that good stuff. Like this guy moved it, little in there, and he's all hooked up in there. There's live boats that come out and have access to the lake, and it's it's very comfortable and a nice walking at night. I enjoyed the couple of days stayed. It's a mile and a half from my sister Stephanie's house. And this spot on the left up here, I'll show you, this is the bathroom, the showers. Very spotless clean. No complaints whatsoever about this place. It's a little expensive for the RVs to come in and park it for the next couple of nights. I mean, it was a little bit expensive. This was my spot right there. 106, had a little cement pad, that was cool. And electric, sewage, and that was it. That's Holiday. It's the entrance. Welcome to. It was pretty nice. Can't complain. Florida's nice. A little rainy today, but what can you do? This is called Welcome. It says Cove Community. I don't know what that means, but it's Holiday. Holiday, something up with the name like that. This is the 33. Just make a left out of here and then a right up front there. Owned private community, Hawthorne Estates. It's really nice here. This is a really good 55 and over community. If you're, I would definitely recommend this place to everybody. I mean, it's really pretty and clean. I mean, it's spotless. Every amenity you can think of is available in this place, by the way. Tennis, everything. Guys on the turnpike, getting a ticket for my little service plazas on the Florida Turnpike. It's left lane, you got to get off. And then they got a bunch of shops and stuff. It was pretty cool. Left, little plaza over there. Right. We're on left Sevitz Road, about 4 miles from Ken's house, my old shipmate from the Navy. Visit him and his beautiful wife, Millie, and I'm going to say hi and spend a day, maybe a couple of days with them, and then head up to Mamacita's in Suffern, New York. Hopefully. I'm taking the side road next 4 or 5 miles to Ken's house so I can check it out and see what's around here. Beautiful. Love the rain. Love me some actual weather once in a while. It was thunder and lightning last night. Oh man, it's beautiful. Standing outside the shower and 70 to something degrees, lightning, thunder. It's amazing. One problem is I slipped on this real slippery concrete there and landed on my left hip, and so far nothing bad, but after a couple of days that stuff starts aching, and so I'm aching a little bit, not much, but a little bit, and hopefully nothing's bad. Landed on my arm, my left hip. Thank God I didn't land on my back. But St. Lucie. icy snow and cold weather. God, it's golf ball sized hail. Can you hear it? Hello, starboard bow. That's right. Very bad hail. Got a little text message on the phone. Tornado warnings. Pull over if you're in a high profile vehicle. Yep, trying to outrun this weather here, guys, from South Carolina to North Carolina, try to get around it. I want to thank Maylee and Kent for the beautiful hospitality, the 2 days I got to spend boondocking on their beautiful house, in front of their beautiful home, the trips to the beach, everything. And I'm looking forward to maybe seeing you guys on the way back. So I appreciate it. And let's go ahead and move forward and try and get out of this rain, and we'll update you guys. This was during the day. You'd find Pete in a bathing suit standing out there. All right, starboard bow, just got underway from Jacksonville, and the weather excitement. Today's a beautiful day. It's around 68, heading north. Destination target today is Richmond, Virginia. It's a beautiful day. Weather looks good today and tomorrow. I don't see on the weather map any problems or challenges. So let's hopefully we make it into Richmond. The low tonight in Richmond is 23. So we're gonna have our first cold night to see how we can handle it here in the Damon Hornet. The Damon Hornet has been very kind to me. We've gone from California to Florida, and heading northeast on the 95. All is good, knock on wood. But we'll see how it goes in the cold weather. I don't want to bring her into the cold weather, but you got to do what you got to do. Okay, guys, back up on the road. 95 north, just left Georgia, entered South Carolina. I'm going to pull over and stretch the old legs. I think when you go through a state, you get the okay to pull over and stretch your legs. Hopefully, this rest area has a dump area. I'm sorry, I meant dump for like the RV dump. So don't get you commenters. I'm going to pull over and stretch the old legs. All other vehicles, cars, all other vehicles, buses, all other vehicles. I'm assuming they mean motorhomes and RVs. I can fit in a car place, by the way, but I don't like taking up. In fact, I'll just pull over here. Sorry, that rattling noise. Got something on my dash here. This guy assumes he's got his own spot there, so nice guy. Nice guy. And I guess the truckers pull over here, and we don't get to. We gotta walk. All right. Well, I need to walk anyway, so. All right, guys. Center, South Carolina. It's a little windy, so hopefully it's not bugging you too much. Got the old Hornet right there, or right there. She's doing a great job. My baby's just taking me all over the country. A little windy here today. It's about 60 degrees. A little windy in South Carolina. But you know what? We got some palm trees. Sun is shining. No hail. No tornadoes. No 30-mile-an-hour sideways rain. It's just beautiful South Carolina. I'm watching the weather heading north. Hopefully, I gotta dump the old tanks for get too up north and stuff starts to freeze. So today's Tuesday. It's almost been a couple of weeks since I left sunny California. But I appreciate you guys all watching, following with me, coming with me. I mean, you don't have to. I guess maybe when I say appreciate, I mean thank you for watching and supporting. You know, well, supporting by subscribing and liking and commenting. I'm it's a new channel, so that's the year old. Almost at 9,000 subscribers, but it takes a lot of work to get it there. But here's the welcome center. So I just had to pull off the highway. I heard a pop and then a bang and a shatter. I don't know what it is. We're gonna look at this together. I had to pull over, check it out. Let's go back there and see what's going on. Oh my God, I don't want to hear about it. Please don't tell me it's bad news. Oh God, some kind of window or something shattered, because it sounded like it. Oh boy. Please, oops, excuse me. Oh my God, look at that. Holy shit. Oh God, are you serious? This is just not cool. Alrighty, starboard bow, obviously not a happy time. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, and comment. And we'll see you guys in New York.